Welcome back to Jet Day Kids TV. Today I'm gonna be making some Oreo cheesecake. These are the 3 ingredients, so let's get into the video. Okay, so we only need 3 ingredients for easy Oreo cheesecake. So the ingredients are, Mommy.
We will need Oreos, of course, condensed milk, and of course the cream cheese. Okay, so let's get started.
If you want to make this at home, the procedure is in this description box down below. Thing you need to do is open the Oreo and then put it in the ziplock bag, and then you crush it into pieces. So let's open the Oreo. Flat and then smash them into pieces. So I'm going to smash them with this roller. That one smashed.
Okay, smash them into pieces. All of them, all of them.
And put the condensed milk and cream cheese together. But where? Now I have my own bowl. So my mom opened this for me, and I opened the cream cheese. So let's put it in. We just strained it.
Good job.
And then you add some of this Oreo. So I'm gonna mix it. Get a jar or a container and then put some Oreos under.
At the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, so
put a little Oreo, some Oreo here.
Make sure to lay them flat. So it's going to be like the bed of your cheesecake. The crust of your cheesecake. Okay?
That's enough.
No, it needs to be like a crust. We can like
next step is to put the batter in here, and then that's it.
Just like what I did here.
In the jar.
Okay, so do it. Just do it. Do it.
This is gonna be easy peasy lemon easy.
Make sure it's even.
Sprinkle some Oreos on top.
Okay, just this. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. The other one, patingin sa jar. Okay, konti lang.
The last thing you need to do is cover them up and then put them in the fridge and then chill.
And wait.
And wait. And then we'll do a taste test.
So see you guys later.
See you guys later. Okay guys, it's finally done. So let's try what I did. It looks really good. I'm scared. Mmm.
It's good.
Really good.
It's like a real cheesecake. Show them. Yummy. Okay, I can't talk anymore. Okay, so goodbye na. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like and subscribe if you're feeling my vibe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok, the Basco Sisters, and the Bascos in our Instagram. And that's basically it. I hope you make this at home. It's really good. If you taste this, maybe taste it again. Bye!